It's just 2,500 naira. You can make this amazing pasta recipe. This is easy, quick and super affordable with 2,500 naira. If this sounds like what you would like, then keep watching. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, thank you for tuning in. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always supporting. I love you guys. Today we bought our spaghetti for 1,200 naira, a carrot for 200, tomatoes for 200, even the fresh tomatoes we got it for 200. The spices we got it for 350, while we got our egg for 250, our power oil for 250 as well, our carrot for 200, and that was it guys. We had our seasoning cubes and salt at home. I had this Ghana pepper. Okay, I bought this Ghana pepper for 15 naira. So we are starting by adding our oil to the pot. I added the power oil and so a little bit of palm oil because this is what I like. This is just a twist. This is what I always love doing. Most times, even with my jollof, I do it this way. I just added a little bit, very small drop of the palm oil into it. So I had to saute my onion and then I added my tomatoes. Keep watching guys. Thanks for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for more amazing and affordable recipes like this. So I forgot to mention we got our crayfish for 200 naira. We had to mix our tomato. It was cooking well. As you can see, we had to mix it for a while and allow it to cook because we don't want to have that sour taste when we are eating, so that's why we do it this way. This is just based on preference. If you prefer the sour taste, anyhow you want to do yours, but this, I believe this is the best way to do your tomatoes, to fry it so you don't feel that sour taste most times because it's not nice. You will not feel the vibe of the food when you are feeling the sour taste. So I added my crayfish. I'll go ahead to add all my seasonings at this point because the tomato was already drying up in the pot, so I didn't want it to get burnt. I added my crayfish, I've added my salt, I'm adding my nut cubes. Like I've been eating nut cubes for like forever. This is the best cubes for now. Like I love nut cubes. So I went ahead to mix them together. And I'm going to add my remaining seasonings. There is my spices. Mind you, I'm not adding all of this spice. Like I'm just adding half quantity of each of them because of the quantity of spaghetti I'm cooking. If I was cooking like more than one here, I might use it all, but since I'm not cooking, I'm just using one pack of the spaghetti, I can't use all of this. I'm putting half of each of the spice, so you can just put your spice to the quantity that you want, how you like it. The spices are optional. You can use any spice of your choice. Any spice of your choice. This is just the one I always like using. The ginger spice, curry masala, all-purpose seasoning, and onion seasoning. That's what I always use. So I added my carrot to the pot too. I had a little bit of that green beans at home, so I added it. So then I added a little quantity of my pasta water. If you don't have pasta water, that is still fine. You can still use normal water because my pot was drying up and I needed the vegetables to cook for a while, to cook a little bit. So that's why I added my pasta water. And now guys, it's done. It's now time for me to go ahead and add my pasta. You have to, after adding your pasta, you have to taste your seasonings. Taste to make sure your salt is okay, your maggi is okay, and every other thing is moderate. You mix everything together. So this is it. We allowed it to cook for, we covered it to cook for a while. Then this is the end result. As you can see, just see the color of the food. Everything is nice. Like my camera is never doing justice to this meal. Like if you see the way the color is looking, and even the taste, the aroma, everything is just okay. And that is it, guys. If you would like to see more of these budget friendly recipes, cheap, easy, quick and affordable meals, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks. Bye.